I'm going to give you a quick and easy tutorial of how to play the Minecraft opening music. It will go like this. Wait, forget that. So it's quite easy if you know it. There's a really cool YouTuber. I'm sorry I forgot your name, but it is a very good thing. So first you want to start on the two big free notes next to the two chords. Do you know the Minecraft tune, it goes boom. So you hold it for 2, and you hold it for 1, this middle one. So you go 2, 1, and then you go like that. Quite simple. I'll do it one more time. Then you do it, and you do this one, and then you do this one, and you repeat that 2 times. So all together, because this is it. There you go. That is how to do, Minecraft opening music on piano. See you later. Bye!